हेलो एवरीवन। आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। तो शुरू करते हैं अपना CAPF एंड SSB ऐसे सीरीज इंडिया चाइना रिलेशन के बारे में। सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ द इंट्रोडक्शन। चाइना हैज सिचुएटेड नॉर्थ ईस्ट ऑफ इंडिया। बोथ चाइना एंड इंडिया गॉट फ्री एट सेम टाइम। आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस चाइना enhanced communism and India joined non-alliance movement. After the independence, India show more affection with China because we want Asia develop as a superpower. JL Nehru यानी कि जवाहरलाल नेहरू in 1954 visited China and followed the appeasement policy. He gave a famous slogan हिंदी चीनी भाई भाई in Panchashil agreement. What is the relation between India and China? USA make United Nation यानी कि UN and make permanent 5 member यानी कि P5. USA want India make it permanent member, but India show his big heart for China and left the offer of USA. South Korea and North Korea have a small tussle in which China support North Korea and North Korea attacked on South Korea. USA want UN peacekeeping mission against China, but India voted in favor of China and India saved China. What is a confrontation? India make border with China in east by McMahon Line. In around 1960, after the annexation of Tibet, China and India have a small tussle over Dalai Lama. After the conquer the Tibet, China released a map in which he saw Arunachal Pradesh and Ladakh is the part of it. He want East-West swap deal, but our Prime Minister JL Nehru say it's part of India and not to be a matter of negotiation. At the result of it was War of the 1962, first war of the India and China. What think China about India? No doubt, in the war of 1962, we was not prepared as we lose more than China. At this incident, China did not consider India as a threat. But after the war of 1971, he considered India as a threat. He took initiative of Mao smiled on India. 1974 to 75, we test our first nuclear test. Operation Buddha is smiling. China and other country except France criticize India and make nuclear support group, nuclear supply group यानी कि NSG. In 1971, by 36th Constitutional Amendment Act CAA, we added Sikkim as a part of India, which is most necessary for us because Sikkim is a tri-junction. In 1991, LPG reform came into existence and USA became closer to India. What is a trade relation between India and China? India and China both are developing countries, so they are part of World Trade Organizations यानी कि WTO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO and BRICS also. Geoeconomics is replacing in a geopolitics. What is the conclusion? In this contemporary era, it is not necessary that tiger and dragon should be antithesis with each other, but both nations can shake hand each other and collectively work together for constructive development of Asia in the world. K. Santhan, who was the army chief, he gave 3C concept to deal with China. First is a call to be the cooperation. Second is for competition, and C is a confrontation. Thank you for attending this session. Everyone, please subscribe our channel and press the like button. Join me on Telegram link is in the description. डिफेंस स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी। तो गाइस प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर देना। मिलते हैं नई वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।